You realize that AI requires you to think about how you think. In other words, it requires a certain metacognition. Metacognition is the word of the day for you. It's reflect on how you think and how do you make decisions, and try to replicate that with your tooling. So when we talk about agentic AI, what we talk about is AI that can make decisions based on principles and design criteria rather than hard coding your thoughts. Because in a world that is constantly in flux, any kind of hard coding is going to be fragile and therefore susceptible to not working. And people only care about software that works. It's a fundamental principle, right? So think about your thoughts. Understand how you think, reflect. Because it is through that self-reflection do you understand how AI should think about things. Because AI does not have a thinking process by default. It is simply raw intellect trained on materials. And this is why we need technologies like LangGraph and other database like FileCore that will kind of string together thoughts and patterns. And in other words, you need to create a thinking pattern and a thinking habit for your AI so that it can solve a real problem in life. So your value in life is very similar to the value of AI in the sense that how you solve problems is what makes you unique. And AI is never going to solve a problem for you. You can upload a picture of Swiss cheese and ask how racist it is, and it'll tell you, right? It's ridiculous. So what you need to do is you need to create a thinking pattern for your AI so that it can solve problems in a directed way. This is called agentic AI.